Good morning students. Today we are going to see the 4th standard first lesson 4th part. 4th standard first lesson 4th part, part 4. So what is the first lesson name? The first lesson name is Numbers Beyond 9999. What is the first lesson name? Numbers Beyond 9999. Today we are going to see the fourth part. Okay. So now listen. So our first topic is find the sum of the place value of 5. Find the sum of the place value of 5. So what is meant by sum? Sum means addition. What is meant by sum? Sum means addition. Here the question is find the sum of the place value of 5. Here we got the question 5,41,652. 5,41,652. We have 2 5s. Yes, we have 2 5s. Now we are going to find the place value of the 5 and also find the sum. Okay, so listen. Find the sum of the place value of 5. Find the sum of the place value of 5. So what does mean by sum? Sum is addition. Sum means what? Addition. Okay. Now listen here. Sum of the place value of 5. Sum of the place value of 5. In this question we have 2 5s is there. How many 5s is there? 2 5s are there. Listen. 5, 5. Now we are going to take and write the question. 5,41,652. 5,41,652. Now we are going to write the place values. So what is the first place value, Ramya? Yeah, very good. The first place value is ones. So write ones. And what is the second place value? Tens. And the third place value is 100. Fourth place value is 1000. 10,000. And finally lakh. Finally lakh. First you are going to write the first place value of 5 is. The first place value of 5 is. So what is the first place value of 5? The first place value of 5 is lakh. Okay. So 5 into lakh, the answer is 5 lakh. Right? The first place value of 5 is. Place value of 5. So what is the first place value of 5? So take 5 and multiply by. So 5 it is in lakh place. So write lakh. 1 0 0 0 0 0. So 5 it is in lakh place. So 5 into lakh 5 lakh. What is the answer? 5 into lakh 5 lakh. So the first place value of 5 is 5 lakh. 5 lakh. Next you will take the second place value of the 5. First place value of 5 is lakh. Next you are going to take the second place value of 5. Here what is the second place value of 5? It is 10th place. So 5 into 10, the second place value of 5 is 50. So write the second place value of 5 is. Second place value of 5. Second place value of 5. So take 5 and multiply by. So here 5 it is in 10th place. So 5 into 10. So what is the answer? 5 tens are 50. 5 tens are 50. Now we are going to find the sum of these two numbers. 5 lakh plus 50. 5 lakh plus 50. Take sum equal to. Sum equal to. So what is the first place value of 5? Here the first place value of 5 is 5 lakh. So write 5 lakh. And what is the second place value of the 5 here? Here the second place value of 5 is 50. What is the second place value of 5? The second place value of 5 is 50. So write 50. Now we are going to add this. First you should write the 5 lakh. 5 lakh. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lakh plus 50. So while starting the number, first you should start ones place, that is right side. Okay, take a 0, 5. Now add this 0 in the mind, 0 in the finger. So what is the answer? 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. The next one is 0 in the mind, 5 in the finger. So you are getting the same answer, 5. Next you should bring down 0, 0, 0. The final answer is 5. So the answer is 5,50,000. What is the answer? 5,50,000. Listen, the question is find the sum of the place value of 5. Find the sum of the place value of 5. So what is mean by sum? Sum means that is addition. What is mean by sum? Sum means that is addition. Now the first place value of 5 is lakh. The second place value of 5 is 10. Okay, 10th place. So the first place value of 5 is 5 into lakh, the answer 5 lakh. The second place value of 5 is 5 into 10, the answer is 50. So take 5 lakh plus 50, the answer is 5 lakh 50. Okay, so next we are going to the next example. Find the difference of the place value of 8. Find the difference of the place value of 8. The first question is find the sum of the place value of 5. So sum means that is addition. Here the question is find the difference of the place values of 8. So what does mean by difference? Difference means that is subtraction. What does mean by difference? Difference means that is subtraction. Now we are going to find the subtraction. Now we are going to find the subtraction of 8. Subtractions of 8. Okay. Now take the question 9 lakh 8,038. Write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, and the final place value is lakh. Okay, first you are going to write the first place value of 8. Okay, first place value of 8. So take the first place value of 8 is. So what is the first place value of 8? Roshan, tell me. Yeah, the first place value of 8 is already I written 1000. So 8 into 1000. 8 into 1000. So what is the answer? 8 into 1000, 8000. 8 into 1000, 8000. Listen my children. How I written 8000 means, listen. When we multiply by a number 10, 100, 1000. So it will be goes on like 10,000 lakh, it will be goes on. So by this time, first you should write the left side number first, then you will insert the number of zeros. So 1 zeros means insert 1 0, 2 0 means insert 2 zeros, 3 zeros means insert 3 zeros. So likewise I written, listen, 8 into 1000, first you are going to write right side value 8, then you insert 3 zeros. So the first place value of 8 is 8000. Next you are going to write the second place value of 8 is. The second place value of 8 is. Second place value of 8 is. So what is the second place value of 8 here? The second place value of 8 is 1. Upper 8 into 1, so what is the answer? 8 ones are 8. The second place value of 8. So take 8 ones are 8. Okay, now we are going to find the difference between 8000 and 8. 8000 and 8. Take difference equal to 8000 minus 8. Difference equal to 8000 minus 8. Take 8000 minus 8. Now, is 0 minus 8 possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 0 is the smallest number, 8 is the greatest number. So, you are going to get borrow from the before numbers. Listen. So, here too this is not possible. 10th place, 100 place also not possible. Finally, you should take the 1000 place value. So, in this 8, it will be changed into 7. Then 0 hundreds, it will be changed into 10 hundreds. Now this is still not possible, then this 0 tens it will be changed into 10 tens, and 10 hundred it change into 9. Okay, next finally 0 ones minus 8 ones. This is not possible because 0 is a, compared to 8, 0 is the smallest number. Now we are going to get borrow from 10th place. So 10 tens it will be changed 9 tens, finally 0 ones it will be changed 10 ones. Now we are going to subtract this 10 minus 8. What is the answer? Put 10 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and subtract how many lines? So strike out 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So remaining we have 2 lines. So the answer is 2. Next, the 10th place value we have 9. The 100 place value we have 9. Finally, the 1000 place value is 7. Now, the answer is 7992. What is the answer? 7992. Listen my children, the question is find the difference of the place value of 8. So, here we have 2 8s. The first 8 it will be occupied in the 1000 place. The second 8 it will be occupied in the 1's place. So, 8000 minus 8, the answer is 7992. So, our next topic is find the face value of the digit. Find the face value of the digit. So, we have another topic also is find the place value. Find the place value. This is find the face value. So, what is face value? Listen, the face value of a digit in a number. The face value of a digit in a number is the value of the digit itself. Value of the digit itself regardless of the positions of the digit occupied. The position occupied by the place is called the face value. Okay. Now listen here. For example, find the face value of 2 in 1,95,263. 1,95,263. So what is face value? The number is the value of the digit itself. Value of the digit itself regardless of the positions of the digit in the number. Regardless of that position. Okay. So listen here. The face value of 2 in 1,95,263. The answer, the face value of 2 in 1,95,263 is 2. What is the answer? Is 2. That the position. That position is called the face value. So another topic also is there. What is that? Place value. What is that? Place value. So place value means that a digit occupied by the place. For example, they will ask the question, find the place value of this number. Find the place value of 2 in 1,95,263. Find the place value of 2 in 1,95,263. Now we are going to write the place values. What is the first place value? The first place value is ones. The second place value is tens. The third place value is hundreds. So you should write the place value of 2 is 2 into 100. So what is the answer? 200. Right? Answer. The place value of 2 is the place value of 2 is, so what is the place value of 2? The place value of 2 is 200. The place value of 2 is 200. So listen my children, this is face value, that is the position. Okay, the number occupied by the position. This is place value. Face value and place value. So thank you children. I hope everyone enjoy this section. In this below description, we have attached study material, question bank, assessment work. You are going to do the assessment work. If you have any doubt, go through these videos again and again. Thank you, students.